Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 5823 East Lake Road in Lakeshore Landing on gorgeous Seneca Lake.
This is an amazing dream home with panoramic lake views. So let's take a tour.
Why build when you can enjoy this newer home with exceptional open living? Featuring a cathedral ceiling great room with a designer kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a center island with a breakfast bar. Open to a dining area with porch and patio access. And a living area with a gas fireplace. All with beautiful hardwood floors, an adjacent powder room and laundry, and scenic lake views.
The first floor also features this Lakeview Master Suite with a spacious bedroom, full bathroom, and an adjacent sitting room, office, or huge walk-in closet. While the second floor includes 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. Perfect for family and guests.
The finished walkout lower level is set up perfectly for an in-law suite with an expansive living area with tile floors, open to the kitchen, a bedroom, full bathroom, and a private patio with lake views.
This architect-designed home is situated on a premium hilltop setting with custom detailing and beautiful stonework. Great for a relaxing, maintenance-free lake lifestyle.
The hallmark of this Lakeshore Landing home is this huge wraparound porch with panoramic views of Seneca Lake.
Lakeshore Landing is a very special community in the heart of wine country on the east side of beautiful Seneca Lake.
This waterfront community enjoys private access to a 184-foot beach and boat launch with nearby Sampson State Park.
Rob, this is a great place.
This is amazing Sampson State Park, which features over 2,000 acres for all your outdoor activities. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Seneca Lake. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5823 East Lake Road in Lakeshore Landing on gorgeous Seneca Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!